Hey everyone, today we're doing we're gonna do a delivery because someone emailed me that 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 my truck had money inside, and they said to put it in the bank, to put the money box inside the bank. And this truck isn't far. And okay, now I'm gonna park my car over here. And yeah, so this has a lot of money inside. This has a lot of pounds. So we're going. Yep, and please make sure you like and subscribe in this video, because that would be kind of helpful. But you don't really have to like and subscribe if you're new, or if you don't know how to subscribe. Then just hit that like button. And we're near the money store. Yeah, it's kind of close to my house and my car. This is the port. Where can I port? Maybe kind of careful if I hit this truck, because there's a lot of money that I need to do. So I need to put it in the bank. I need to be careful. Okay. That would be a lot of money. And also, what's the bank? I need to give money to the bank, because you see that this is a lot of boxes inside. Oh, Emerald Man could help. He loves money than I do. And now we need to leave it here. Here. And, oh my god, that's a lot of money. I think our third lesson is done. Okay, now we need to do some more. Now we need to deliver the money inside my house. I need to be kind of careful, because this truck is mine, but I also need to be careful with the way I'm driving. Because you see, I got my driving license only yesterday for driving or sleeping. I cracked my foot. But now I have a new one. So, okay, now we're gonna be kind of careful here. And I hope I don't crash it. Please don't crash. Oh my god. Man, this guy has a military truck. I need to be kind of careful to my house, because I got a new house. My last house on my lift was stuck. Now I have part 2, which I couldn't get to upload part 2, because I had to use Capture Card, but it took me kind of hard first. But now I think about it, I think I should get the money inside my vault. Now, guys, this is the secret vault. Okay. The money's now in, and it should be done. Huh? Who's? Oh my god! Ugh. Man, I'm gonna delete. Okay, sorry guys, the ice cream. that wasn't a part of it. That girl was so annoying. She was ruining the video. Well, time to go for the next mission. And it's not in that house. Gonna have to put it somewhere in. So, okay, careful. I need to be careful on this road. Go. Oh my god, I need to be careful over here. I need to be... Ignore my mom. I need to be kind of careful. Oh my god. I don't want to hit them. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Did I just... I'm sorry. I need to go. Quickly. Yeah. That was so close. The money would go. Wait. Did you realize that something's flying? Run! Wait, it's following me! No! He will crash my truck! Oh god! I don't have too much control of this truck. But there is something flying above me. Oh my god, I need to stop. Oh my god! Oh my god, how many damn it? Oh my god! I hate this server. Gotta go back on my original! Hang on. Wait. I hope I don't crash. Oh my god. I hope nothing gets worse. Oh my god! Why is it not stopping? Hey, you coward! Stop it! I can't even get away from this. No! He's shooting! I hate this guy. Well, I need to go at fast speed. Hope I don't crash. Run! What did I do? Don't crash. Come on, please. Oops, I didn't mean to. Run! Please run! No! Oh my god. I hope I don't. Oh no, wait! I think I'm gonna crash! Ah! Oh my god! Now I'm crashed! No, I'm crashed! Oh! Crash! No! It's all this guy's fault! He's flying so... Oh my god, it's all this guy's fault! He made me go so far. I had to get away from him. Now I'll get fired from my taxi job. I'll get fired from my taxi job, truck job. Now my truck. Oh. I need to walk all the way home from this ugly guy. So bad. look at this. Look what he have done to my truck. That is a lot of ice. The truck empire of this let me use this truck because it was better than this regular old truck. Because I had spent a lot of money buying on that truck in my house. Now I'm gonna get fired. Now I need to walk all the way back home. Oh my god! Is he flying above me again? Oh god! Hate her. Oh guys, sorry about that guy. Well, I guess my core is... Now I need to find my core. Oh. Guys, if you have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I'll get revenge after I end this video, but now I need to get my core back. And it's kind of far. It's kind of near. Good thing I had my scooter. I think he's somewhere. Well, he sure did a pretty great job. Good now. Now I'm gonna get fired. But guys, I think I'll have a revenge. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and comment below if you want a part 2. Cause on my original video, I had to part 1 and part 2. Now I'll have a part 1 and part 2 again. Cause now my truck is broken. It has become broken. And we need to fix my truck. Only if it gets abandoned. But bye for now. I hope you enjoyed this video.